ABC Educational Channel. Today, let's have a daily use English sentences using likes and dislikes. Are you ready? Let's begin. I like apples.
I like apples.
I like to eat pizza.
I like to eat pizza.
I like chocolate ice cream.
I like chocolate ice cream.
I like drinking milk.
I like drinking milk.
I like bananas and oranges.
I like bananas and oranges.
I like my lunch today.
I like my lunch today.
I don't like spicy food.
I don't like spicy food.
I don't like onions.
I don't like onions.
I don't like broccoli.
I don't like broccoli.
I don't like soda.
I don't like soda.
I like playing with my toys.
I like playing with my toys.
I like to play with blocks.
I like to play with blocks.
I like puzzle games.
I like puzzle games.
I like to play hide and seek.
I like to play hide and seek.
I like playing on the swing.
I like playing on the swing.
I don't like losing in games.
I don't like losing in games.
I don't like loud toys.
I don't like loud toys.
I don't like scary games.
I don't like scary games.
I don't like when my toy breaks.
I don't like when my toy breaks.
I don't like waiting my turn.
I don't like waiting my turn.
I like reading books.
I like reading books.
I like to write my name.
I like to write my name.
I like drawing pictures.
I like drawing pictures.
I like math class.
I like math class.
I like to answer questions.
I like to answer questions.
I don't like noisy classrooms.
I don't like noisy classrooms.
I don't like hard questions.
I don't like hard questions.
I don't like forgetting my homework.
I don't like forgetting my homework.
I don't like when my pencil breaks.
I don't like when my pencil breaks.
I don't like messy desks.
I don't like messy desks.
I like to run and jump.
I like to run and jump.
I like to dance with music.
I like to dance with music.
I like to sing songs.
I like to sing songs.
I like painting pictures.
I like painting pictures.
I like going outside.
I like going outside.
I don't like being too tired.
I don't like being too tired.
I don't like falling down.
I don't like falling down.
I don't like being late.
I don't like being late.
I don't like staying indoors all day.
I don't like staying indoors all day.
I don't like loud noises.
I don't like loud noises.
I like helping my teacher.
I like helping my teacher.
I like spending time with my family.
I like spending time with my family.
I like to make people smile.
I like to make people smile.
I like saying thank you.
I like saying thank you.
I don't like being alone.
I don't like being alone.
I don't like when someone is mean.
I don't like when someone is mean.
I don't like shouting.
I don't like shouting.
I don't like when I feel sad.
I don't like when I feel sad.
I don't like when I forget something.
I don't like when I forget something.
Thanks for listening.